My name's Matt. I'm a shipwright from the Australian National Maritime Museum in Sydney, Australia. We're coming on a field trip to see how you guys do stuff on this side of the world.
I'm Andrew from the Sydney Maritime Museum. Mostly do rigging and sailing, and we just came here to check out the work being done on Winnie Estelle. The reception here has been really warm. Felt like slipping on a glove. We fit in really well. Lovely people around here. They've got lovely workshop inside, run a really good apprenticeship program. Really good to see the next generation being trained up in this kind of field.
Pretty major rebuild got going here on Winnie Estelle. Not something we see as much at our museum, so it's great to see it being done here with the apprentices getting involved as well, all being part of a major project.
Yeah, I've been following the project for a while, and with all of the bottom planks missing and being able to stand right up through the hull, so it's good to see it come to the state it has and be a small part of that.
We arrived here, we've seen where the project was up to. We milled some timber and cut the plank to length and got it up under the hull, fitted it, put a caulking seam on it, screwed it up, and then that was ready for the next plank. And it's that straightforward that you just move aft and go the next one along. It's a very similar process. Each plank might be a little bit of shape in the hull, but because they're such short lengths, it makes it a lot easier to do than longitudinal planking. You're not bending stuff as such. If you would have to pull some planks out and replace them, it'd be a much simpler job than pulling a long plank out, having to join it end for end. Bottom planking on this, planking out from the keel, seems it's so different to what we do back in Australia. What I'm used to seeing and have worked on in the past, being longitudinal planking. This is really unique. It's such a simple construction, but it works, it's solid, and a lot of boats in this region seem to have it, what we've seen. The boat built in 1920 to be part of its ongoing history, small part of the project to get it back in the water for many years to come. Pretty special. We're not just working on something modern here, it's something part of the history of this region.
Well, I can say it's just been great to work on such a quintessential boat, part of the local fabric. Yeah, so we're going to be wrapping up our time here in a couple of days, heading off for a while, but be sure to follow the project along, because we will be.